Hi there! In today's video, we will discuss how you can build, launch, manage, and sell your first WordPress plugin. A survey published by Netcraft showed that 43% of the internet is powered by WordPress. This means there is a huge opportunity to create and sell your WordPress plugins. So let's talk about the basics for building your first WordPress plugins. Firstly, make sure you decide what you want to build. You also want to find out if there is a need for your plugin idea. Then you want to identify the problems you can solve. You also want to find out who are the competitors of your plugin idea. When you're building your plugin, it's very important to follow the latest WordPress coding standard. Coding standards help avoid common coding errors, improve the readability of the code, and to make simple modification. Standards ensure that files within the project appear as if they were created by a single person. Following the standards means anyone will be able to understand a section of code and modify it if needed. After a plugin has been made, you need to ensure software licensing for your WordPress plugin. If you want to project your paid offering and not base your licensing only on trust, you need to have a licensing management layer in place, making sure that only paid customers will have access to your paid software. Now it's time to launch and sell your plugin. Be sure to set the pricing plans for monthly, yearly, or lifetime. Then, you need to upload the plugins to a marketplace such as ThemeForest, CodeCanyon, or Easy Digital Downloads. This is where a users visit to buy plugins. You also want to produce content for your WordPress plugins such as blogs, YouTube videos, podcasts, documentation, social media content, and so on. Content marketing will help you to bring traffic for your WordPress plugins. And don't forget to list the free version of your plugin to WordPress.org. WordPress.org has more than 1.5 billion plugin downloads, so don't skip this step to list the plugin because this is the best way to sell the premium version and get more users to download your plugin. After you have developed and uploaded your first WordPress plugin, please note that there is still more work that needs to be done. Plugins need to be constantly managed. For example, you have to do push auto deployment to place upgrades directly from your GitHub account to WordPress.org. You need to get useful user insight on plugin deactivation reasons. You also need to integrate with other different solutions such as Easy Digital Downloads, WooCommerce, Envato, FastSpring, and so on. Then, you also need to do email marketing to your plugin users. Fortunately, all of this can be done with Appsero. It takes care of your licensing, plugin deployment, and plugin analysis of your plugin performance. We have a full blog on this, so please check the link in the description box below if you want to know more on using Appsero to manage your WordPress plugins. Appsero is not just meant for large organizations working with WordPress plugins. It can also be used by startups who are on a tight budget to develop their plugins. And that is how you can build, launch, manage, and sell your first WordPress plugin. For more video on using Appsero to manage, license, and deploy your WordPress plugins for your users, be sure to check out Appsero or email us for more information.